Welcome back to a new video from your friends at MTX Audio. Today we're going to take a little time to get you familiar with our new RZR kick panels that come in our new Thunder kits. So stay tuned and I'll walk you through it. All right, guys, I want to take a few minutes and talk to you about some of the cool features on our new RZR pods that are coming in our Thunder kits. One, this is how you're going to get the pod. The speaker's going to be included in the rotationally molded, completely sealed pod. You're not going to have to remove it to get the factory bolts or anything like that. It's also going to come with a IP-rated plug with a rubber seal, your speaker wires, and all your RGB connections in it. The reason you're not going to have to open this up to mount it is because we include our new quick mount bracket with pod lock technology. Basically, you're going to remove 3 of the bolts from the vehicle, snap the bottom of the kick panel in, fold this up and put 1 bolt in it. It's super simple to do, and you don't have to disassemble it, and you don't have to remove any parts from your vehicle. With that being said, let's take a look at how these go into the vehicle. To start the installation, we're going to remove 2 T40 Torx bolts and 1 13mm body bolt. Now that we've got the bolts removed, we're going to line our bracket with the holes that the bolts came out of and return all the hardware we just took out, locking the bracket into the vehicle. On the bottom of the speaker pod, you'll notice 2 slots that line up with the slots on the bracket. You're going to set that in place and lean it back towards the vehicle, putting your top bolt in to secure it. Once your pods are secure, go ahead and run your wires up to the center of the vehicle. Now that we've got one pod installed, go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. All right, guys, as you can see, they go into the vehicle relatively easy without a lot of work. But if you still got some questions or some things are confusing you, go ahead and watch our full-length video offered on YouTube. And again, if you've got any technical questions or wants or concerns, hit us up on any of our social media feeds, Instagram, Facebook. Other than that, I hope this answered all your questions today.